Okay, so my flight to Mexico City leaves in less than 11 hours and I just finished packing. To be honest, packing and filming together really stresses me out when I'm trying to look for things and make outfits and see if it fits as I'm filming. So this packing video, I did it reverse and I actually already packed all of my stuff and then I'm going to kind of unpack it and show you guys what I got. I'm gonna be in Mexico City for 6 days. I'm running the marathon, but also want to explore and do things. Packing for the weather was kind of difficult because the low is 50 something, 55. The high is 70. There's a day it might rain. It also seems like it's, I don't know, the weather is just, I mean, it's summertime in Texas right now, so I've been having 5-degree weather all week. I'm going to the mountains, so I tried to pack a little bit of everything from shorts to pants, a couple of jackets, tank tops, crop tops, literally everything, because I don't really know nighttime versus daytime what it's gonna be like. So I am bringing a medium-sized checked bag. It's a 24-inch checked bag, and then only a personal item backpack. So let me show you guys everything that I'm bringing with me. This is the bag that I'm taking with me. It's from American Tourister. It was only $99 on Amazon, so it's really pretty orange color, and I really did need a medium-sized checked bag because I only had a little tiny 20-inch carry-on, and then this checked bag is 28 inches and it's honestly just a little bit too big. So for a trip like this where I do have a lot of stuff but also just want to travel a little bit lighter, this is kind of the perfect option. Okay, I am officially done packing, unpacking, and repacking. So this is everything that I'm taking with me for 6 days. When did I get this bagoo? I think I got it before my Colombia trip, and this has pretty much been my everyday, like, real life and travel bag. It's just the perfect size to hold everything. Not too big, not too small, and I don't know, I just really love it. So this is like my personal item in the bag that I'll take around with me every single day. When I travel, I always keep my passport on me. Honestly, you never know what's going to happen, and what if you're gone and God forbid your hotel or Airbnb like catches fire. I just always keep my passport on me because you never really know, like it could get robbed, catch on fire. You don't really know what's going to happen. And then I also keep my phone, my camera. I always have a portable charger with me, which I actually forgot to put in there, but this is for all the time that I travel, but especially when I travel alone, it's really handy. This little charger just goes straight into my phone. I never want to be alone and have my phone die. And then of course I'll keep, you know, just other stuff like gum. I always keep Advil, lip balm, stuff like that in there. This bag is going to get checked. Oh my gosh, the focus. So this is going to get checked. I like flying American. I have the American Airlines credit card, so I get free checked bags. Normally I can do carry-on only, but there's just a lot of stuff I have to bring because this is not just a normal trip. I'm also running a marathon. And then this backpack I always take with me. It's from Béis. I've had it for probably like 4 years now. It is honestly the perfect travel backpack. I don't know if they make it in this color anymore, but it's just perfect. It's always my like personal item on the plane. I love that it has this trolley to go, the trolley slip to go on. So this is pretty much what I'm traveling with, and I'm super excited. Okay, I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:21. My flight leaves at 8, I think 8:30. It's international. I have to check a bag, and also my friends who own a coffee shop in Fort Worth also have a location at the DFW airport, but it's not in my terminal, so I take the little Skylink train to get over there. Long story short, I'm just getting there extra early because I am not missing this flight and I have a couple things I have to do. So I think I'm probably gonna try to get to the airport, honestly, I think by like 5:30-ish. It's 30 minutes away, so I have to leave my house at 5 a.m., wake up at 4 a.m. So at this point, I'm max getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep because I still have to clean. I am that person that I don't like leaving if my apartment's not clean. A couple days ago, I already like mopped and cleaned my sheets and all that stuff, but I still have to do dishes. Whenever I pack, especially pack and film, there's just an entire mess. And I also have a little bit of work I need to get done. So I'm gonna try to get at least like 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and I'll just sleep on the flight. Honestly, I don't even know how long the flight is. I need to just get my entire life together. I'm also hungry. I need to start hydrating because y'all, I'm running a marathon in 6 days, which is crazy. But thank you guys for watching. Down below, I will try to link everything I can possibly link that was in this packing video. Be on the lookout for my Mexico City travel vlogs. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!